Earn up to $7,000 a week by simply copy-pasting text. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how you can make money by simple copy and pasting experience. So, be ready to profit from it. Step 1. Research using Google Scholar. Google Scholar provides access to research papers, documents, and articles that are often not available through standard Google searches. For instance, if you're researching a topic like coffee, you can enter it in Google Scholar and discover a wealth of research dating back many years. There are even papers from as far back as 1993, which can be extremely beneficial for your efforts to earn money online with this approach. Step 2. Create your own Skool community. Now, Skool is a platform where individuals are creating their own online communities on various topics. There are people earning up to $160,000 a month, as indicated by their current monthly recurring revenue. For instance, one person is generating $100,000 a month, another $12,000 a month, and someone else $80,000 a month. Recently, a woman earned $7,000 in just the last 24 hours from her monthly recurring revenue. You can establish a Skool community focused on any subject. Step 3. Set up your community. Next, head over to Skool and click on Create a Community. Enter the name of your group, then copy the text from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Make sure to customize the sections that specify the name and the focus of your Skool. After that, copy and paste the text you just edited. Now you have a description for your Skool community. Take the first sentence from that description, return to your Skool community, click on Settings, navigate to General, then Group Description, paste it here, and update the settings. Now go to canva.com and search for Logo Design. Add a relevant keyword to find the type of logo you want to create. Choose one of the templates to design your logo, then return to your Skool account, click on Upload Icon, and upload the logo. You can also create and upload a cover image in Canva using a size guide. Copy the size guide, go back to Canva, click on Create a New Design, select Custom Size on the left side, enter the same dimensions, and add your logo. After that, click Share, then download as a PNG file. Once downloaded, return to Skool, click on Cover Change, save the new cover, and update the settings. Step 4. Build your classroom. The classroom is arguably the most vital component of your Skool community. For example, in one of my classrooms we have a Start Here guide, and the remaining resources consist of text guides and courses that look like this. To get started, navigate to your classroom, click on New Course, and copy and paste the relevant text for the first course, titled Start Here. Next, I'll return to ChatGPT, copy the necessary text, and paste it into Skool. Once you have created around 10 to 15 courses in your classroom that resemble this format, it's time to personalize them. If you'd like to achieve a similar style for your cover photos, head over to Canva, select the text option on the left, and enter Start Here. I typically use the font Articulate, so I'll apply that here. Afterward, I'll visit emojipedia.com to find various emojis. For example, if I want to use a waving hand, I'll select it, access the emoji designs, and copy the image. Then, I can paste it into my project, click Share, and download it as a PNG file. After that, return to your classroom, select Edit Course, and upload the cover image. You can repeat this process for each class to ensure everything looks appealing. More importantly, you should begin creating your text courses. In the blueprint document, locate step number 5, open it, and copy the text to paste into ChatGPT. Just customize the final 2 sections. For example, I want to create a second class titled Top 10 AI Tools to Write Scripts. ChatGPT will generate the entire text course, which I can then copy. I'll return to my classroom, click on Edit Post, and paste the text there, along with copying and pasting the title. Additionally, I can insert affiliate links within the text. For instance, I can search Google for the Write Sonic affiliate program, sign up, and incorporate my affiliate link here. If you're unsure how to add an affiliate link, simply highlight the relevant text, click the button to add a link, and save your changes at the bottom. One of my communities now has around 32,000 members, and it features a welcome post labeled Start Here, which is visible to everyone who joins. This post has garnered 1,000 likes and comments, demonstrating its effectiveness. Step 5. Promote your community. To effectively promote your community, I recommend 2 specific strategies. First, consider creating short TikTok videos on the topic of your community. Head over to the Tools page and click on the Get Ideas button, which will provide you with a list of hundreds of TikTok ideas to help you promote your school community. Choose one of these ideas, produce a TikTok video around it, and make sure to include your link in the bio so that viewers can easily join your community. The second method involves searching TikTok for individuals discussing topics relevant to your niche, such as YouTube growth or AI tools. You can find users with large followings, follow them, engage with their posts, and respond to comments. This interaction will pique their curiosity about you, encouraging them to visit your profile and discover the link to your school community. If you're interested in learning how to set up an affiliate system to earn passive income, keep watching, as I'll explain how to establish your affiliate links. Start by visiting crackrevenue.com or other affiliate networks like Share a Sale or CJ.com to find suitable offers. For instance, if you decide to sign up with Crack Revenue, click on Become an Affiliate at the top, fill in your account details, and gain access to a wide range of affiliate programs. Once you have access, select offers that align well with your school community. Each time someone joins and pays you $99 a month, you'll earn through your affiliate link. This is feasible even with free programs. Remember, if you don't currently have an affiliate program, it's perfectly fine to charge a lower fee, like $29.99 a month, while still attracting individuals interested in your content. So far, you have learned the step-by-step approach includes defining your niche, customizing your community's appearance, and developing informative courses, all while using tools like ChatGPT for content creation. Additionally, promoting your community through social media platforms, particularly TikTok, allows you to reach a wider audience and attract new members. Lastly, integrating affiliate marketing into your school community opens up additional revenue streams. If you have the dedication, you can build a successful online business that has the potential to earn you $7,000 a week. So, what niche or topic are you most excited to explore in your own online community? Are you drawn to something like digital marketing, AI tools, or perhaps a completely different area? Your input is valuable. So, go ahead and share your answers in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Profitability Plus, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos filled with strategies, tips, and techniques to boost your online income. Until next time.